Natural characteristics of sociology. The following natural characteristics of sociology. First, sociology is an independent science. It is not treated and studies as a branch of any other science like philosophy or political philosophy or history. Second character, sociology is the social science, not a physical science. As a social science, it concentrates its attention on man, his social behavior, social activities, and social life. Third one, sociology is the categorical, not normative discipline. It confines itself to statement about what is, not what should be or how to be. As a social science, sociology is necessarily silent about questions of value. It is ethically neutral. Fourth, sociology is the pure science and not an applied science. The main aim of pure science is the acquisition of knowledge, and it is not bother whether the acquired knowledge is useful or can be put into use. Fifth one, sociology is the relatively an abstract science, not concrete science. Sociology does not confine itself to the study of this society of that particular society or social organization or marriage or religion or group and so on. It is in this simple sense that sociology is an abstract, not a concrete science. Sixth one, sociology is the generalizing and not particularizing or individualizing science. It tries to find out the general laws, principles about human interactions and association, about the nature, from contents and structure of human groups and societies. It tries to make generalization on the basis of the study of some selected events. Seventh character, sociology is the general science, not specific science. The area of inquiry of sociology is general, not specialized. It is concerned with human interaction and human life in general. It only studies human activities in a general way. Anthropology and social psychology often claim themselves to be general social sciences. Eighth character, it is both rational and an empirical science. There are two broad ways of approach to scientific knowledge. Empiricism is the approach that emphasizes experience and the fact that result from observation and experimentation. Rationalism is stresses reason and the theories that result from logical inference. Thank you. Have a nice day.